In this video I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble your Charles Daly N4S Ranger Bullpup. You're going to need two tools. You're going to need to have a punch, and you're also going to need to have the tool that came with the bullpup, this claw. Pretty straightforward. First thing, remove your charging handle. Next thing, remove your flash hider. Third, you're going to remove your nut, your foreign nut from the front. Second, now we're going to move on to raising. I've already done it, but you're going to raise your cheek riser. Once that's done, you're going to use your punch. I'm going to punch out these pins, like so. Now that's completed, I'm just going to pull and separate the bottom receiver from the upper receiver. Clean this as required. Now, you're going to slide this case off. That done, you want to get in here, you want to clean your pistons. You'll notice that this piston is slightly dirty. I just went shooting yesterday. It's always in your best interest to make sure that these are kept as clean as possible. These are the heart and soul of your firearm. Use the hook to unscrew this nut here. Once that's out, you can remove this other case, put it to the side, clean it as necessary. Alright, so now you're going to see that you've got your barrel. There's some gunk here, but I'm going to want to clean. I'm going to have my spring, I'm going to have my action bar, I'm going to have my bolt. I want to get in there, do a quick cleaning of my bolt, do a quick oiling of cleaning my action bar. To do that, all you do, turn it towards you so you can see it better. Push this forward. Take the bolt out. Put it here. Slide these units out. Now you've got access to everything. So I'm going to clean this, and then I'm going to come back and put it back together for you. Okay? Okay, so we've cleaned the entire firearm. Now we're going to look at reassembling it together. We're going to do so in the following order. First we're going to take the nut, we're going to slide it, threading towards where the bolt will be. We now take the spring, put the spring back on, like that. We're going to take the action bar. Actually, you know what I like to do first? I'll actually like to take the bolt, just so I know which orientation it's going to be. I like to slide the bolt in first. So I'm just going to show you that a little bit better. So I put the bolt in just like this. Now that the bolt is in, you can see the orientation that your action bar is going to need to come in to connect with it. So you take your action bar, slide it on, Put it all the way down. Whoops, there's the bolt. Put it all the way down past the spring. If we need a little bit of power here. Change your orientation so that it catches. Make sure you saw that catch. You see here how it catches? There, done. So you've got the action bar, the bolt, that nut, spring, everything's caught into the barrel. Now that we've got all that, I'm now going to take this and slide it onto the receiver. Slide it in like this. Push it down and start to manually tighten that nut back on to the receiver. Once you've gotten it to a certain point, you're going to take this tool that they provided you. Just make sure it's firm. You don't want to strip your threading, right? So don't go crazy on this. Just make sure that it's on nice and tight. That's tight enough. It's not going to come out of this. Now you've got that looking pretty decent. So now that you've got this set up and ready to go, you're going to take your piston, you're going to put the smaller piston on first, or the inner piston as I would call it, followed by your outer piston. Okay, done and done. Now that you're going to take the remainder of your upper receiver, just slide that on. It's connected. Again, it's just sliding it on. It's fairly straightforward. When all these units are there comes the end of the business. Take this, and again, you just slide it back. So, put in your pins. Fore-end nut. Just hand tighten it. Flash hider. And the last piece. Nice and smooth, easy peasy. That's it. That's how easy it is. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.